Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to add music to Instagram Notes on PC. First, open the Instagram website on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Now open a new tab and search for Insist. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store where you can download the extension. Click Add to Chrome, then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser. Then click on the Insist extension to launch it. Your Instagram account will open through the extension interface. Now click on the assistant icon from the left side. Here you can access additional Instagram tools and features provided by the extension. Next, click on Messages to open your Instagram direct messages. Now click on your Notes section at the top of your inbox. Then click on Assistant. Depending on the available features in the extension, you may see options related to Notes customization, including adding music. Select the music option if available, choose your preferred song, and apply it to your note. Once finished, publish or update your note and check that the music has been added successfully. Keep in mind that available features can change over time, and some options may depend on the current version of Instagram and the extension. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.